And I'm curious, is she a trustworthy person right now? I mean, in the eyes of the government, or does that not really matter? If because I mean, she's been convicted of really just disgusting crimes, and especially crimes against minors. But does it matter so much of her trustworthiness or what she says about the president? Because so far she's been flattering, according to reports, to President Trump. She's saying, I never saw anything concerning. I mean, can we believe her? Can we take her at her word? Or, because we already know that she's eyeing clemency. Her attorneys have said she would welcome clemency from the president. I mean, is that her goal and she'll say whatever she wants to get there?
I mean, I don't think it's so cut and dry. I think that she may be honest when it pertains to certain people and maybe not honest for others. She's certainly self-interested, right? I mean, she has a vested interest in not spending the next 2 decades or more in custody. The person that can guarantee her that is President Trump. He's already said that he's contemplating a pardon, potentially as a show of his good faith, that he wants to be removed from the situation and knows that she has the power to do it. Then again, if she goes and talks about his either his adversaries or other people that are unrelated to President Trump and is truthful about their involvement, she actually may be truthful about that. She actually may be forthcoming about certain people that she was involved with, that that Jeffrey Epstein was involved in. But she may not necessarily be truthful about Trump. Then again, she may be. It just depends. I think we should look for, first and foremost, the fact that she is self-interested. We should look at the fact that she does have a vested interest here of not spending time in custody. But we also need to look at this thing may go very, very deep and include a great number of people, some of whom may be in Trump's orbit, some of whom may not be, or may be opposed to Trump. So I don't think we can just simply discount her honesty or veracity because she said one or two things about President Trump. I think it really remains to be seen what she is going to say, the extent to which she's going to say it, and about who she's going to say it.
And Ghislaine Maxwell is just, I mean, her position right now isn't great, right? As you said, she's in custody for 20 years. That's the better part of her life. Almost the rest of her life will be spent behind bars. She was convicted of really bad crimes. Her reputation internationally is just in the gutter right now. And I mean, probably for the rest of her life. Does she have anything to lose right now?
It's a really good question. And I think that she has probably more to gain than to lose. She's been around some very powerful people for a great many years. Those people may have certain reach at some point when she's released. They may not. It may not affect her anymore. I mean, who really knows? But I think it's really important to note that if this were a trial, this were a court of law, whatever she says about other people would be regarded as hearsay. Something that she's seen might potentially be salient, but the weight of whatever she's going to talk about is going to be diminished unless there's some third party evidence that can be discovered to support her. That's really going to be the job of every news organization after whatever she says becomes public, trying to discover whether or not what she said was honest and accurate, and if anyone can find anything else to bolster or detract from her arguments. I think that listening to her is not really going to be the entirety of the story, just because there are so many variables here that President Trump can affect directly her life going forward. And other people who are also extremely powerful and whom she may have been associated with can also affect her life either positively or negatively.